Navigation consists of two areas. First one is the general navigation points, and the second one is the map option. Both can be accessed by using the shortcuts on the left side or by using the direct button on the controlled element. You will be guided directly to navigation, or we can go back to the home screen and then press the map button on the controlled elements. We're going to go back to the home screen and enter the navigation view. We're going to start off with the map option. The map material is very interactive and nice to look at. We can either navigate within the map, select places or destinations, we can set destinations or favorites, we can use different views with or without satellite data, we have very accurate zoom settings, and we can start direct navigations by either using the map or other ways of entering a destination. So we're going to take a moment and look a little closer into this particular function. We're going to start off with destination search, where we find different options on how to enter destinations. We're going to scroll through the list real quickly, and we're going to move back up and start off with the first one, the quick search. I can enter either places, street names, or particular POIs. We're going to go back and move on to recent destinations, which contains all the destinations that we've traveled to so far. If you want to get home quickly, we can choose home address, and you will automatically be directed to a certain route to your home. If a home address hasn't been stored yet, you can do this right here. Next up are the points of interest, where I can choose from different points of interest from different categories. We go back and we're going to move on to the next point, which is going to be favorites. We can store additional addresses besides our home address if we want to. Of course, we can also choose the general address input, or we can use the connection between our contacts in the telephone book and the vehicle. We may as well choose received destinations, which represents an intersection with the BMW connected option, and you'll be able to see how that works in more detail on screens. We can choose a destination by choosing GPS coordinates, or last but not least, the journey option, which contains saved waypoints from the latest journeys, which we can then use. Again, we can choose the personalized menu and deactivate or activate certain options on the menu. Last but not least, we're going to take a look at the right side of the map. If no route is shown, we can get a closer look at the current traffic situation. We can personalize our own map, take a look at theme maps, change the settings if needed, or use the split screen. If you want more information on what that looks like, simply check out screens.